Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, click on Bluetooth. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off Bluetooth mode and turn on Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button. Click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and click on reset phone and reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, click on battery and power saving and click on power saving. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off power saving. After turn off power saving, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.